Today, I want to share how I became a furniture maker. After months of dreaming and countless sketches, I'm finally ready to bring my perfect lounge chair to life. Join me as I chase down my white whale in the furniture making world. A while back, I stumbled across a photo of a chair. The chair caught my eye. I was not in the market of building a chair. I had actually just built a lounge chair for my living room, but this chair was so perfect. Days went by and I could not stop thinking about this chair. So I conceded and decided to try my hand at making it myself. I spent dozens of hours over several weeks figuring out how to make this chair. I started by modeling the chair. From there, I ordered templates of components of the chair from a local shop with a CNC machine. The templates are an essential part because they allow uniquely shaped parts to be replicated. The high-level process for making templated parts is to trace the shape and roughly cut out along the outline. Then, I attached a template to the hardwood piece and used a template router bit. This creates the perfect outline of the shape on the hardwood piece. Then I clean up the rest with a flush trim bit. When using a flush trim bit, I skip over any joint faces. I like to cut my joint faces on the table saw. This is a tip that I've learned from other woodworkers. So for the back legs, I had made a sled, and I found myself making templates and sleds more and more because they're super helpful and they make hard tasks easier. Furniture making is full of quick tricks like this, and I'm constantly learning. Another aspect of furniture making I really like is design. As a kid, I carried around a big 3-ring binder full of sketches of shoes, cars, you name it. Designing things to fit me was my obsession. I might have been the only 10-year-old who wanted a brother embroidery machine to bring my sketches to life. I've also been curious about how things are made and love building things. I'm the type of person who enjoys putting together something more than actually using the thing. Oddly enough, I did not grow up helping my dad or grandfather with woodworking projects. I was not even slightly interested in it. I didn't fall in love with the craft after a woodshop class in high school. I didn't even take a woodshop class in high school. It really was never on my radar. Until a few years ago, I could not tell you the difference between walnut and maple. But that all changed when my wife and I purchased our home. We moved from a single bedroom apartment to a house, which meant we needed furniture. I really like nice things, and I find comfort in having something you know that will last. There's a sense of relief and peace that comes with something you know you can count on for decades. But quality pieces are hard to find and expensive. With a new house and limited funds, I thought, why not try making the furniture myself? Little did I know, DIY furniture isn't always cheaper than store-bought. This is a little-known secret. I watch hundreds of hours of videos on YouTube, videos like this, of woodworkers making things. I started to identify patterns and tried my hand at an entry table. That project didn't just give me a table, but a serious itch, an itch to make. I became hooked after the first project. I find furniture making an escape from my desk job where I can create with my hands. In the woodshop, I can clear my mind and focus on creating. Another cool thing about furniture making is it can be as challenging as you make it and incredibly rewarding. More on this project. This is the first project where I'm trying something different. I'm in the early stages of my furniture business, which means I'm still trying to land on a business model that works for me. I have tried working with interior designers as well as making custom pieces for customers in the past. What I've learned from those experiences is that I don't want to spend my valuable time making something I'm not 100% fully in love with. So I came up with a new model, a model an artist might follow. The idea is I'll come up with a couple of designs each year and make a handful of each piece to sell. I would need to research what pieces people are likely to buy, as well as design something they would like, but this model more or less gives me the freedom to create what I want to. This also maximizes my time so I can price my furniture more competitively. Using this model, I can reduce the labor cost per piece, as a result bringing down the price per piece. For example, instead of spending 35 hours on one chair, I can spend 45 hours, yes, that's how long it took to make these chairs, to make 4 chairs. As a business-minded, creative person, furniture making has been a perfect fit for me. It can be challenging, but I find it being the fun kind of challenge. It's crazy to see that entry table every day and think that's where I started. And now look at me. I've conquered my white whale. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. It's gonna be fire.